Welcome to the exciting world of technology. Today we'll be diving into the life of individuals who have made a huge impact on the tech scene. Join me as we explore the best developers in the world according to my own rating. Keep in mind, this list is just my opinion, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Before we get started, let's debunk the idea that business moguls like Iron Man or Mr. Lizard are the top developers. While they might know how to code, they can't compare to the true geniuses behind the great technologies like Linux. So let's celebrate the brilliant minds who have shaped our tech world. On number 13, we have Eich. Eich created JavaScript in just 10 days while he was working at Netscape Communication Corporation in 1995. I'm not joking, this guy literally created JavaScript in just 10 days, but made the developer suffer for the rest of their life due to the exceptions, and made the users suffer for the rest of their life due to the pop-ups. The language quickly gained popularity due to its ability to bring life to web pages, allowing developers to create interactive user experience. On number 12, we have Guido van Rossum. Brilliance shines through as the inventor of Python, a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's beginner-friendly and widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, penetration testing, and more. Van Rossum started developing Python in the late 1980s, and since then, it has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. On number 11, we have James Gosling OC. James Gosling, often hailed as the father of Java, has made an indelible impact on software development. Java, the brainchild of Gosling, has found application in a wide array of domains, from Android application to robust enterprise systems. Gosling developed Java in the early 1990s while working at Sun Microsystems, aiming for a platform-independent language that could write once, run anywhere. On number 10, we have Stroustrup. Stroustrup is credited with the creation of C++, a powerful language that has become cornerstone of software development. From gaming to system programming, C++ has found its way to numerous critical applications. Stroustrup developed C++ in the early 1980s, extending the C programming language to support object-oriented programming and providing a powerful set of features for developers. Look, I know this is one of the best developers in the world, but dude, why are you sitting like that? Do you think yourself like rapper or gangster or something like that? Like, do you think yourself Tupac? On number 9, we have Donald Knuth. Donald Knuth is a true pioneer in computer science, is renowned for his groundbreaking work in algorithms and authorship of the Art of Computer Programming series. His contributions have a lot of impact on computer science education and research. Knuth is known for his meticulous attention in detail and is often referred as the father of analysis of algorithms. On number 8, we have Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson, alongside with Dennis Ritchie, a prominent place in the history of computing. Their collaboration resulted in the creation of Unix, a revolutionary operating system that has become the foundation of modern computing environments. Thompson has played a pivotal role in developing the initial version of Unix in the late 1960s. While he was working at Bell Labs, Unix innovated design and philosophy of simplicity and modularity have influenced countless operating systems and software development practices to this day. On number 7, we have Dennis Ritchie. In addition to his collaboration on Unix, Dennis Ritchie's creations of C programming language played a pivotal role shaping the modern software development landscape. C has become the foundation language for various operating systems, compilers, and software development projects. On number 6, we have Linus Torvalds. Linus Torvalds, the creator of the Linux kernel, has made a huge impact on the open source community. His work paved the way of the widespread adoption of the Linux-based operating systems. In 1991, Torvalds developed the Linux kernel as a hobby, never anticipating its global significance and widespread use in servers, mobile devices, and more. On number 5, we have Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee stands as the visionary inventor of the World Wide Web, transforming the world as we know it today. His groundbreaking work has connected humanity on a global scale fundamentally, and he changed the way that we access and share information. Berners-Lee developed the first web browser, WorldWideWeb, and authored the first web page in 1990, while working at CERN. On number 4, we have Konrad Zuse. Konrad Zuse, one of the earliest computer visionaries, is credited with creating the world's first programmable computer. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for modern computer architecture and programming. In the 1930s and 1940s, Zuse developed several computing machines, including the Z3, which is considered the first fully functional programmable computer. On number 3, we have Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto, the enigmatic creator of Bitcoin and blockchain technology, sparked revolution of the world finance and technology. His 2008 white paper Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, introduced the concept of digital currency, reshaped the financial landscape. The true identity of the Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown, as it's believed even Donald Trump once joked about being Nakamoto on the 1st April. A lot of experts evaluate Nakamoto as a billionaire, but the exact amount may remain due to the anonymity surrounding him. Nakamoto, if you are watching this, subscribe. On number 2, we have Alan Turing. Alan Turing, he was philosopher, computer scientist, mathematician, and more. He known as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. His work during World War II, the Enigma Code, laid the groundwork for modern computing and AI research. Turing ideas and concepts laid the foundation for the design and development of the modern computer. On number 1, we have Ada Lovelace, often considered the world's first computer programmer. Ada Lovelace's visionary insights into Charles Babbage in the mid-19th century. Lovelace wrote the first algorithm for Babbage purposes, machine general purpose computer, making her the first programmer in the history. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the first programmer in the world was a woman, and that's why nobody understands computers. Wait, I'm just joking, and I'm a feminist. As I mentioned before, this list is completely my personal opinion. If you have any other name, please put it in the comment below and I will interact with your comment. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.